Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix TikTok couldn't reset password. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you're seeing the couldn't reset password error on TikTok or receiving a message that your device is unrecognized, don't worry, you're not alone. This is a common problem that usually happens when TikTok detects unusual activity on your account or when you're trying to reset your password from a device that TikTok doesn't recognize. The good news is that there are several ways to fix this issue so you can regain access to your account. The first step is to ensure that you are using a trusted device and a stable internet connection. TikTok sometimes blocks password resets if it detects a login attempt from an unknown device or a new location. Try switching to a device you've previously used to access TikTok, such as your smartphone or tablet, and make sure your internet connection is secure. Avoid using public Wi-Fi as TikTok may flag it as suspicious. Next, clear your app data or cache. On Android devices, go to Settings, then go to Apps. From there, look for TikTok and select it. From there, select Storage section and then tap Clear Cache or Clear Data. On iOS devices, first go to Settings. Scroll down to General tab and click on it. From here, go to iPhone Storage section where all of your apps are displayed. From this list, search for TikTok and select it. Once found, tap Offload the app to remove temporary files. You can also clear cache by using TikTok app. To do this, open the TikTok app and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. Once the app is open, tap on your profile icon located in the bottom right corner. From there, tap on the three lines at the top right to open the menu. Select Settings and Privacy from the menu options. Scroll down to the Cache and Mobile section and then tap on Free Up Space. Here, you will see two options. Simply tap on Clear next to the Cache option and confirm your selection. This will clear all of your app's cache data, which can help resolve issues like unrecognized devices or problems resetting your password. After that, try resetting your password through the official TikTok app rather than a web browser. Open TikTok, tap Login, then select Forgot Password. Enter your phone number or email linked to your TikTok account and follow the instructions sent via SMS or email. Make sure to check your spam or junk folder if you don't receive the reset email immediately. Sometimes the reset link is delayed or filtered incorrectly. If you still encounter the unrecognized device error, use a different network or VPN. TikTok may block login attempts from certain IP addresses if it detects unusual activity. Switching to a mobile data connection or connecting via a trusted VPN can help TikTok recognize your device and allow the password reset process to continue. Another effective solution is to log in with a linked account such as Google, Facebook, or Apple ID. If your TikTok account is connected to one of these platforms, you can reset your password or regain access by logging in through the linked account instead of using your email or phone number. This method often bypasses device recognition issues entirely. Finally, if none of these steps work, you can contact TikTok support directly. To access TikTok support, tap on the three lines at the top right of the app and select Settings and Privacy. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and tap on Help Center. Once you're in the Help Center, simply tap on Chat with us at the bottom of the screen. This will take you directly to the TikTok support page. Here, explain the issue clearly and provide details about your device, network, and any error messages you received. TikTok support usually responds within a few business days and can help you verify your account and reset your password manually. By following these steps using a trusted device, clearing cache, resetting via the app, trying a different network, logging in with a linked account, or contacting support, you should be able to fix the couldn't reset password or unrecognized device issue on TikTok and regain access to your account safely. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.